Ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Giant Hills kalapun kutno ikajinghikai bakerpang khynnah skul kynthei kumno banyada yaladi self-defense training for girls students kabalong ru kathong jokarani Lakshmi Bai Atma Prashikshan. Kani kajinghikai balai bnai lapun kutno iaka hau bnai no pra da kajingai ke certificate chabaro kinonge bynta na ke South School hapo ka district. Kini ke South League School Kenthop ke Panaliar Upper Primary School SSA, QC Springside Secondary School Tatlabo Presbyterian Upper Primary School but RCE Mentadu Secondary School balapenya da West Giant Hills Karate Do Association WJHKAJY hapo ka jingpet UKV manbhawar pasa instructor Ribet Opde instructor but upatsha Charmang assistant instructor. Ka West Giant Hills Karate Do Association WJHKAJY ringkat ka jingat trelang ki bor penya skul kum kadak ban pun kutno ya kan ka jing ai jing hikai kala pelong da ka jingalang kerpang haman ki skul na ka bynta ban IT ki certificate chabaro ki khynnah ki bala pendep hikna ya kan ka self defense training na pedeng ki khynnah kynthei ki bala pendep ya kan ka jing sha hikai la sakhiru ya ka jing pen I ne demonstrate halwar ka jing tem kajongki da kabale eki exercise bat ki rukam kumno banya da yalade na ki bri ki bathmu ban shim kabu ya jinglong kynthei kajongki na kalyang ki head teacher jongki ne ki skul ki penpa ko jingsngongo ya ka office district mission coordinator SSA West Giant Hills kumjo ya ka West Giant Hills Karate Do Association bat khmi lenti bakum ka ne ka program kanyai beteng shu hakipor ke singi banwan na kabenta ka jingmanto jingi khynnah kynthei bat samla puli.
They won't even take you in 1 minute. So what does that mean? That is discipline. And I hope each and every one of us would learn that lesson. Discipline is something which is very, very important in our life. Right? I used to tell you that there are 3 Ds in life. And discipline is one of them. It's like dedication and determination.
And I promise you one thing, we will not kill much time. Right? What we have to do is to remember what we have taught in every Saturday. Syllad? Yes or no? Well, if you did it, our Saturday, bnai could get to go shop cake. But remember one thing. Kalau satu dia kalau kita mula dia lesson dia buat seperti jadi buat mungkin drop-ti, itu hikai itu yang defend to defend ourselves. Defend ini ada yang defend ini dia dia pecah waktu muda cuma kita harus tanggal orang fikirlah kata ini kumpulan orang ini tidak akan defend mana you defend the bnai itu orang kita akan defend cuma saya tahu every jika mau kita explain mereka हम प्रचंड मिले वो अपने वो जब भी वो ने अब और जो और भाई दे काम की तरह सुनता है देखो पर कामन कमो मायो तो सोई तो
Knee, 1, 2, turn, 1, 2, see, 1, 2, go, 1, 2, rock, 1, 2, touch, go, bring that way, drop me, touch, 1, 2, lie, turn, see, go, rock, touch, đó là các người quay chặt thăng nhiên, stop, see. Now relax up. Okay, mom. Doing again. Stop. Touch. Knee. Kemudian. Stop. See. Now relax. Alright. Spread your legs a little bit. Now we strong edge. Knee. Stop. See. Say in. Spread your legs. In, out. In. Out. Once more. In. Out. Relax. Okay, keep on. Stop. See. Go. Rock. Set. Arch. Go. Knee. Stop. See. Go. Rock. Ham kencang lagi. Not right hand punch. Back. It's smart. Touch. One there. Knee. One there. Stop. See. Go. Rock. Set. Arch. Go. Jump. Arch. Knee. Stop. See. Go. Rock. Set. Arch. Go. Up in there. Get on right. 1, 2. Out. Come on. Knee. 1 and 2. Up in there. Say. Get on right. 1, 2. Forward. Knee. 1 and punch. Now, kembali ke kaki, pas. Kembali ke kaki. Now, stretch drop. Stand on your toes. Come on. Down, chase in. Up. Come on. Come on, squat, jump. Sini bro. Come on. Twist, squat. Kembali. Nih. Sama. Chop.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three. Dan itu tempat kedua, block it. Left hand it. Knife cut itu block it. 1, 2, 3. So, sedih itu.